factorization, we can do 4 examples. Here's example 1, example 2, example 3, and example 4. So we start with example 1. So this is a quadratic equation, and we can have 2 brackets. Now how we find the numbers in the bracket is like this. So we're looking for factors of minus 18 which add up to minus 3. So there are two numbers like a times b. The answer is minus 18. But when we add these two numbers, so a plus b, the answer is minus 3. So we have to find this a and b. Just by inspection, just by thinking, we can think minus 6 times 3 gives you minus 18, and minus 6 plus 3 give you minus 3. So we found the two factors. So the two numbers are minus 6 and 3. So therefore x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to, doesn't matter which order we write them, x minus 6 then times x plus 3. So you always can check by expanding the brackets. So you should get this answer. But just suppose the question was the other way around. It was x squared plus 3x, not minus here, but minus 18. Then only the difference here going to be we're going to get x in the first bracket, also in the second, but the sign of these two numbers would change. So this would be plus 6 and this would be minus 3, because these two add up to plus 3 this time, but when we multiply we still got minus 18. Now we can do example 2. Now this is like a difference of 2 squares. We can rewrite this as x squared, but minus 4y squared you write as a 2y all squared. Now we have learned this before. So if it was a minus b times a plus b, and the answer was a squared minus b squared. This is just the opposite. Now we have to put this into the 2 brackets. So for our a we have x, for b we have 2y. So we will have x minus 2y times x plus 2y. So if we have just another one here, suppose we have 25x squared, then we have 64y squared. We always rewrite that as 5x all squared. Write this one as 8y all squared. Then you can just write using this formula. So basically going to be 5x minus 8y then times 5x plus 8y. Example 3. Now 3 is a common factor and also x is a common factor. So we take 3x outside. Then from the first term we left 9. From the second term 3 is gone and 1x is gone, so we just x squared. Now you should recognize this is like difference of two squares, so it's 3 squared minus x squared. So you can write two brackets for this, 3 minus x, then 3 plus x. Number 4, looking for two numbers. When we multiply them, the answer is 15. So the factors of 15 which add up to minus 8. So when we add, the answer has to be minus 8. So because the both numbers has to be negatives, so it's basically minus 5 times minus 3 gives you 15, and minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. So therefore x squared minus 8x plus 15 factorized to these two numbers, so it's x minus 5 times in a bracket x minus 3. So you can always expand the bracket to check you got the right answer. So we do another example, little one. Suppose this sign was positive, so x squared plus 8x plus 15. Only the difference here is now factors of 15 which add up to 8 are the positive ones. So instead of the negative ones, we would have the positive ones. So it doesn't matter which order we write them. It would be x plus 3, then x plus 5. So you can always again expand to check you get the right answer. This would give you x squared this is going to give you 5x. This would give you 3x, and this is going to give you 15. So if we simplify, we get x squared plus 8x plus 15. Just another example. Suppose we have x squared minus x minus 12. So we're looking for factors of minus 12 which add up to minus 1. So the two numbers, when we multiply, answer is minus 12. When we add them, answer is minus 1. So this time, answer will be minus 4 and plus 3. When we add these two numbers, we get minus 1. When we multiply, we get minus 12. If this number was plus x squared plus x minus 12, only the difference this time, the sign of these numbers would change. So x plus 4 times x minus 3. So they add up to 1. And when we multiply, we get minus 12.